Hey guys, welcome back to my shop. First of all, I want to thank everybody for their kind words, the likes, the comments for Buck over here at Painting Wood Grain. I really do appreciate that. Today I'm going to show you how to paint wood grain on this Euro mount to match my favorite gun, a Remington Woodmaster 30-06. Look at that beautiful walnut wood grain. Absolutely beautiful. Let's get started. This is the one making all the noise. Yeah, you, Henny Penny. Go home. Alright, the first step is done. I've taped off the antler. I painted a brown chestnut first and then mist a light golden tan to get the base color I want. Okay, so there's the brown chestnut. Just want to show you step by step how it's done. It's all coated, a couple coats with brown chestnut. It's dry. Now next I'm going to spray the light golden tan. Mist it on. That'll be the base color for the wood grain. I did the brown chestnut. Now I just did the light golden tan. Sprayed it, misted it on. Looks pretty good. It's all uniform. The color I want for the background color. Now next I'm gonna take off the tape off the antlers because I'm not painting them black. Relax. I'm gonna put a top coat over the entire piece and the antlers itself to seal them up. So in case I get some glaze on there, it will not stain the antlers. So that's next. Okay, I just sprayed some light golden oak onto it. Looks pretty good. Light golden oak is a toner. It's a transparent color to give it the golden look to it. It's all taped up again to make sure I don't get handprints onto it. So next I'm going to spray the Dyke brown glaze onto it, wipe it off again so all the glaze goes into the hang-up like I showed you before in the last video. Let's do that real quick. Dyke brown glaze. I'm gonna wipe it off. Alright, so I sprayed the glaze, wiping it off now. So the glaze stays in the hang-up. All the features of the skull, the eye sockets, the nostrils, all the skull features, kind of makes them stand out a little more. So once this dries, I'm going to seal it up with either a satin or a flat. I'll probably go with flat because I like the sheen to it. The hang-up is all sealed up. Now if you watch my other videos, it's pretty much the same process. I do a hang-up first, let that dry, top coat it, seal it up. Then the grain, top coat it, seal it up. Probably do another layer of grain just to give a variety. Top coat that, seal it up. So it's just a process of layers, but make sure you seal up each time you put glaze on there if you like it. If you don't, wipe it off. Glaze is very forgiving. So next we're going to paint the wood grain. Okay, here's my sample board. Same colors, same background colors. I'm going to use the Dyke brown glaze. Spray it on. Move it around a little bit. Deck brush. Come back with a fan brush. I call it a nervous hand. Just got to shake it a little bit. Make the wood grain. It's just that easy. If you don't like it, wipe it off. Spray it again, missed it. Deck brush, $4 at Lowe's. Look at that. It's like oak. Just move it around a little bit. Come back with the fan brush. Now to give it that realistic look you really want for the wood grain, it's all straight pulled down with the fan brush. Get a somewhat clean dry brush. Let the glaze dry a little bit and pull it to the left or right. You can't really see it yet till you top coat it with satin, but you're pulling it, making it softer. That looks pretty good. That right there that's beautiful. It's like the walnut in the gun. It's not so easy on the skull because it's all the ridges and all the shapes to it. Flat surface is so much easier to paint on. Look at that. All I did was just pull it over. Alright, top coat it with satin. When I say top coat, I mean top coat with lacquer, satin, flat, whichever. This was satin. Look at that. That grain is beautiful. Okay, I spread the glaze on, pull it down with a brush. It's somewhat dry. I'm gonna come back with a Q-tip and take away the glaze. See that? Highlight it to get the lights and darks you want. Look at that, that's awesome. And darks. That's the first layer of the grain. After this, seal it up and then mist the glaze back on again and pull it down like I showed you on the sample board. Something this red, you want to make sure it has lights and darks to it like real wood. Just drag it off. Q-tips. Cheap tools. Okay, just top coat it. It's pretty good. Next, I'm gonna spray the Van Dyke brown glaze to it, mist it on, like I showed you on the sample board. Pull it down, let it dry, left and right. Almost done. Then finally, with the black glaze for the fine grain to it, and then top coat it again. Just mist the Van Dyke brown glaze to it. Speckles all over it. I'll pull it down with a brush. Pull that down. Looking pretty good. Honestly, I can stop right here. Looks pretty good. I like it. But I'm not. I'm gonna spray some Van Dyke brown glaze to a container top. Take a small brush, make lines to it. Let that dry, and pull it to give the grain and a darker line to the grain. Let's do that next. All right, my dark line there, put it on there and pull it down with the fan brush. See that grain? That is awesome. So let that dry and top coat that. All right, I've added some more highlights and darker grain to it. It's not top coated yet, so you can't really see it yet. Draw it on a small fine brush. Come back once it dries with a small fan brush. Pull it left and right to give it nice grain to it. Doesn't quite match my gun exactly, but it's gave me a pretty good direction to go with to get the grain. I really don't want the skull as red as my gun because it's pretty dark red tones to it. So let's top coat this real quick and see how it comes out. All right, let it dry, top coat it again. It's coming out really well. Look at that. That is amazing. I'm gonna dull it down a little bit. I know it's a bit glossy. I'll show you a trick on how to do that towards the end. It's a way I've been doing high-end furniture for years. It's very simple. Two things you probably already have. So let's take the black glaze, mist it on, pull it down with a fan brush to get that fine grain to it, and top coat it again. It's almost ready. It's looking pretty good. All right, the black glaze, mist it on, just lightly. Come back with a nice brush, pull it forward. A nice fine black grain to it. Looking good. Top coat that. I like it. All right, guys, he's finally finished. Looks really good. I didn't paint the antlers black. Looks really good. Nice wood grain. Look at that. Beautiful. I showed you how to do it step by step. Now the final finish, I used satin, let it dry for a while, came back with Dawn soap, put it on the skull, used 4/0 steel wool, rubbed it down, in the down direction to it, cleaned it off. Nice satin sheen. That's how I've done high-end furniture for years. Give it nice, beautiful satin sheen to it. So, hope you guys liked it. I love it. So like the video and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. Thank you.